Hello and welcome back to episode 17 of your fortnightly Newcastle upon Tyne construction and restoration update video. So coming up in this week's video, we'll be visiting all the usual sites at Pottery Lane, Pilgrim Place and the new His Majesty's Revenue and Customs building on Pilgrim Street. This week's video will be shorter as a lot of the sites have been closed down over the Christmas and New Year period. So let's dive right in and see what progress has been made since 2 weeks ago. So starting our little tour around the city at Castle Leazes on this snow-covered day in Newcastle, where the demolition of the old students' accommodation is taking place in preparation for the new students' village to be built. Very little has been done here, with the rubble still to be cleared off the site and more demolition work still to take place. Down at the former Bark and Stonehouse store at Gallagher, only a small bit of work has been done here, with a fence put round the concrete base where the crane will be installed. Work is continuing on Strawberry Place above the metro station, with the old advertisement boards now being removed, as well as the concrete walls below which have been demolished. Around at St James's Boulevard, where the new students' accommodation has been built, work at the back of the building is pretty much the same as it was 2 weeks ago, and the big advertisement on the side of the building is now complete. And around the front, the lift has now completely been removed, with cladding just to be installed on one window and along the bottom of the building. Down at Pottery Lane, looking from the Redgate Bridge, it looks like this site has been closed down completely over the Christmas holidays, as it does not look like much work has been done from up here on the bridge. I will pop down onto Pottery Lane itself to have a closer look. Now on Pottery Lane, you can see everything is the same as 2 weeks ago. So what I thought, this site will get going again on the day this video is published on YouTube. On Pilgrim Street, work to fill in the subway is now complete, and as you can see, they've opened up the seating area for people to enjoy, with just work to complete over the back on the cycle lane and the pavement to complete. Around at the Pilgrim Place development, again, this looks like another site which has been completely closed down over the holiday period, with everything the same as it was in the last video. Again, this is another site which I expect to start back up on the day this video is published. At the His Majesty's Revenue and Customs site, this is another project which has been shut down over the holidays, so hopefully we'll be able to report some progress in the next video in 2 weeks' time. At the new high-end hotel being built at the former fire station on Pilgrim Street, it's the same story around here, with no work being done over the last 2 weeks. Around on Ellison Place, where they're building the new North East Space Skills and Technology Centre for Northumberland University, work here is pretty much the same as it was 2 weeks ago, so I presume this site has also been closed down for the full Christmas holiday period. Around on Northumberland Street, work here is exactly the same as it was 2 weeks ago, as I know they shut down for the full 2 weeks over Christmas. So hopefully in 2 weeks' time when I bring you the next video, all the sites will be up and running again after the Christmas break, so I'll be to bring you a full video. So I hope you've enjoyed this short version of the Newcastle upon Tyne construction and restoration update videos. Please let me know in the comments what your thoughts are about the construction which is going on in the city right now. If you've liked the video, please give it a massive thumbs up, as it really helps my channel grow, and if you've not already done so, please consider subscribing to the channel and hit that bell notification when I release more videos. See you next time on 55 Degrees North.